back at it again with another episode. And last time we played Snow White.
Mr. Wolf.
Head was on the floor. We were in disbelief. So, let's find out what happens this time.
You're making this more difficult than it has to be. If you just cooperate and answer the questions, you can go home. Maybe
Cooperate? She's asking me to cooperate.
How are you feeling?
That's my day. What's my
I know
dog,
it's
Snow
been a long
White?
night for you. You look like you could use some rest.
I'm feeling pretty fucking pissed off right now. If I'm honest, I'd like to smash everything in this room.
Is that a threat?
Depends on how much you like the furniture.
Right. Bitch shit, is that a threat?
I didn't
Bitch,
think
I'm
that was
mad.
funny.
One of my
In
day
case you
ones
were
is
waiting for
gone.
me to laugh.
Snow White's not day one, but
Look, I know what you must be going through. Really, I do. But I could use your cooperation.
You know, I hate to say it, but I don't think you do.
Of course. You're right. I can't imagine what you're going through right now.
dude, looking over there to the side for, bitch. You see that shot? You see
What is
them?
it with you cops? Always trying to empathize with people. I know this must be hard for you. Do you? Do you fucking know? Have you had a friend killed and their head left at your fucking doorstep?
Exactly.
No, didn't think so.
Shit hurts. Thinking
Who
I
knows is
thinking
what
I
it
got
is.
involved in it. Bloody nose. You good, bitch?
I'm Detective Brannigan.
Are you good?
Do you hear that?
Oh, she tripping. She said, "Do I hear that?"
Please. I'm sorry.
What the
Just
fuck?
make it stop, please.
What just happened?
We have to go now.
What's going
What
on?
the fuck is going on?
You should be thanking me. It's just a memory wipe spell. Very expensive.
A
but it
memory
works.
wipe
The
spell.
whole station will forget the last 24 hours. And
Damn.
everything they saw at the Woodlands.
Damn.
Well, hurry up.
He said a memory wipe spell. They will forget everything they saw in the last 24 hours. Yeah. Yeah, give me that shit. That nigga really booked me out of jail. Shout out to Mr. Crane, man. I mean, I ain't really fuck with you from the jump, but you broke me out, man. I gotta say thank you. Gotta say thank you, my boy. Appreciate it, Mr. Crane, but we gotta figure out what the fuck happened to Snow White. This nigga.
Thanks for bailing me out.
Thank you.
Certainly.
Appreciate it, Crane.
We
Real
we
shit.
found Tweedledee chained up to a post. That was your doing, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck
Well, I don't know
Tweedledee.
why you detained him. Dee was at the Trip Trap when Snow was left at the Woodlands, so he couldn't possibly be involved in this mayhem. Bluebeard's currently interrogating him, and he hasn't said anything useful. And Big B, we have to tread carefully here. We can't implicate an innocent man, and people are already worried about your conduct.
He's working for somebody. And whoever it is wants him snooping around every crime scene I've looked
I
at.
honestly know he's
That
working for
doesn't
somebody.
necessarily mean they're involved in the murders.
Really? Crane be sounding so sus too, chat, bruh. Like, even though he built me out and he a solid nigga for that, he be sounding so sus.
I know what you're thinking, Bigby. It's been one full night and a slice of morning, and I already miss her too.
Bruh, yeah. We don't miss Snow, bruh. She one of the solid ones.
You know, I never get more homesick than when one of us dies. And now, for it to be Snow, I've never been good with these sorts of things.
I added you back.
I just can't believe this is really happening. Our stories used to be so simple.
I thought I pressed it hard.
A middle and an end. But ever since we moved to this awful city, everything's gotten so confused. Did she give any indication to what she was thinking when you saw her last, I mean? I don't know why, but I'd like to know that she was, I guess, fine, I suppose.
She could come off as callous sometimes, but she wasn't really. She said that she wanted to change things. Make it easier for Fables to get help when they need it.
Exactly, Crane. That's
I
why
don't know
he's
what else
sus,
to
bruh.
say, Bigby. We have to put an end to this. It's been
to
two
put an end
murders
to
in
this.
as many days. If we don't unearth our culprit, and soon, there will likely be another on our doorstep tonight.
I'll get it done.
Please, Bigby, for Miss White.
I got it.
Man, this nigga said for Miss White. Like, come on, bro. You pushing it with that one. Nigga was pushing it with that one.
That's not a very good answer, is it? Come on. Just tell me what I want to know.
Who
It
is
will make
this
things
nigga?
a lot less painful for you, in theory.
Oh, were you planning on using that? I just thought you really liked rubbing your little sword.
What the hell do you think you're doing?
Hello, Ichabod. Sheriff.
Bluebeard.
I was just chatting with our new friend.
You were supposed to wait for us to get back. I told you, if you want to be involved, you will do things my way. No violence!
He said no violence.
Whatever you say, Ichabod.
Hello, Bigby.
I want answers, D.
Oh, goody.
Yeah,
I thought
say
you wanted
shit.
questions, and
Oh,
I was
they know
having
he's not
so
finna say
much
shit.
trouble thinking of any good ones. Though I'd settled on, how's your head?
You see what I've been dealing with?
How's your
What are you
head?
going to do about this, Bigby?
It's been better, but we're not here to talk about me. Snow White is dead,
Look, I didn't kill anyone.
and I'm supposed to just believe you.
You were with me when it happened, dummy.
I still have questions for you, D.
Bum ass bitch.
Sounds like a personal problem.
This is ridiculous.
Let him work. He's got more experience with these kinds of things.
Back in the alley, you mentioned your employer. Who is it? Who are you working for?
Why? You looking to change your occupation?
Bitch ass nigga.
All right, D. Let's get to know each other.
Let's pull out the picture.
Fuck, Bigby. Don't make me look at that. Just put that away. Please.
Snow was murdered, D. She was important to me. If you know who did this, you have to tell me.
I don't know what to tell you. You're barking up the wrong tree. I don't know who did it.
Really? You don't have no idea. You have zero
Please tell me
comment.
who your employer is.
I'd like to help you, but I can't. My brother and I, we got a thing about loyalty. We do our job and we keep our mouths shut. If we don't hold up our end, we don't get paid.
Your brother. Where was he last night?
I can't say. He could have been anywhere.
Take your best guess.
He didn't do it, if that's what you're thinking.
Then where is he?
No, I'm not sending you after my brother. Look, I answered
Yeah,
your question.
his brother a little
Can I
sus.
get
I'm
my
not saying his
stuff?
brother did it.
What did
Brother's a
you
little
find?
sus. They played some part.
Nothing of consequence, really.
I know you enjoy my company, but I'd like to be off.
You just carry this around?
Always handy that way.
Smash D or offer him a drink.
It couldn't hurt, I guess.
I should have smashed his face.
Look, Bigby, this isn't going to work. Don't you want to find out what happened to those girls? To Snow White?
Let me handle this. So where's your brother?
Look, mate, I'd like to help. I would, but I can't tell you where he is. Last time I saw him, we split up and I went to find Faith. I don't know where he is now, but he didn't kill anybody. Just leave him out of this.
You were looking for Faith?
Look, I went to her apartment. That's no secret. You saw me.
No, there's more to it. You said you were trying to find something.
Look at him!
All right, D.
Catching him up in his lies!
From Faith.
Get him a little
I
drink!
can't
Get him a
help
little
you.
sippy
I'm not
sip!
saying any more
Hello!
about
He
it.
got a little tacky! Got a little tacky!
He's being too nice to him.
It's a smart strategy.
You mind loosening those? I can barely feel my fingers.
Yeah, I'm not loosening straps.
Real cute.
I'm not loosening straps. Anything to let
What are you
out.
doing?
Getting answers.
I told you to keep yourself under control.
Let me handle this.
Bro,
What
nigga
did you
tripping.
want from Faith?
I didn't want shit from that little thief. More trouble than she's worth.
Thief.
I could say the same about you.
Oh yeah? Untie me and see how much trouble I am.
See, that's
did
why I
she
ain't
steal?
unloosing them bitches.
Been valuable.
I don't know. It was just some dumb thing my boss was after.
What did you say?
You're
Boss was after.
That brings me back to my first question.
Who you working for, nigga?
Come on, D. It's clear you're just following orders. So who's calling the shots?
No, I'm fucking done.
Oh, you're done?
You're a... I'm saving that.
Here.
No fucking way! You're out of your mind!
As long as you cooperate, I'll be nice. This is all up to you.
Unbelievable. Yeah, alright.
I gave that nigga some drink,
See a trick?
and I gave him a puff.
Why don't you just tell me who you're working for?
Look, you're not a bad guy. I believe Beauty on that one. But I can't give you that information. That's where I gotta draw the line.
There's no way Beauty would associate with a scumbag like you.
What's wrong with me? You're telling me I ain't pretty enough? Yeah, we're real close.
I thought this was supposed to be a murder investigation, but you're treating this guy like a fucking house guest, Bluebeard! You were making progress before.
Bluebeard,
Is this patty cake
chill,
shit?
bruh. Chill, bruh. Let me cook. Let
One
me
of
cook.
us, and you're going
Let
to
me
this
cook,
ignorant
Blue.
Shit walk out of here in one
Blue.
piece. Out of my way.
Let
I'll
me-
show you how it's done.
Damn.
What the fuck?
Nigga not gonna
You're
talk.
doing.
Teaching him a lesson.
He's not gonna talk, man.
Pay attention.
Just gotta chill, man. Hey,
Stop this right now!
You enjoying yourself?
Blueberry, chill, bro, boy. Blue. Blue. Damn. I was not paying attention. I was not paying attention. Button mashing Q. I'm button mashing Q.
No.
What's going on down here?
Huh?
Snow.
Wait, what? Ah, that's crazy. What? She's still alive? Bruh, she's still alive, bruh. We literally saw her head on the ground. How is she still alive? What? Episode 2, Smoke and Motherfucking Mirrors. Alright, let's continue on a little bit more. That was crazy, I'm not gonna lie. That was just the beginning. That's crazy. Snow is still alive. Alright, bet. I'm happy to hear that.
What the hell was
See
going
that.
on down there, Bigby?
Nigga, what do you mean?
Abusing a prisoner like that.
Straight up.
I thought you were dead.
You ain't even gotta waste no questions.
And that makes it okay? I hope it was worth your time.
I was trying to stop him from fighting this nigga. Yes, I asked
Where
that.
the hell have you been all night, Snow?
I was working on this case. After our conversation in the taxi last night,
So somebody
I got a call
pranked
from
us?
Toad. He said his son found a body. We thought it was Faith at the time. Getting her back here wasn't easy. But hopefully we'll find something on her to help us track down the killer. Or at least to figure out who she is.
I'm glad you took care of things.
Thanks.
Snow?
What is it?
I'm glad you're not dead.
You're my day one, bro.
Me
I
too.
was sick.
I just want to get to the bottom of this. I just feel like
What is it?
I feel responsible in a way. She looked just like me.
That's crazy.
And maybe that's why she was killed.
Snow, it's not your fault.
But she looked just like me. That can't be a coincidence. We just have to find out who did this. And why she was glamored to look like me.
Right.
I mean, that's what it is, right? So, what's our next move?
I don't know.
If we're going to work together on this, you need to actually talk to me. I mean, what do you expect me to do? Sit around the business office twiddling my thumbs, waiting for the big bad wolf to solve all my problems?
It's too dangerous out there.
Too dangerous? Bigby, I
I just saw you almost
can't be
dead.
an errand girl for Crane anymore.
I just
I just
almost saw
want you to
you
be careful.
dead.
I almost lost you once.
I'm
and-
not yours to lose. I'm sorry. I
Respect.
know it's dangerous, but I'm not helpless.
Respect
I can
it.
take care of myself.
Respect it.
I've been doing it for centuries.
Respect it. She said. I'm not
TJ is
hers to
waiting
lose.
inside.
Respect it.
He
That's
was
why I
so
back
freaked
off.
out last night. He wouldn't tell us much.
That's why you back off.
Even now, he
Thought she
just
was my
stops
lover.
talking altogether after a certain point.
My lover slash fighter.
He's pretty
slash
shaken up though.
dog.
So try not to be too, you know.
I can handle the kid.
Okay. TJ's over there. I don't know if you want to talk to him first or after, but let me know when you're ready to see the body. I want to be there. Buffkin, do you have a second?
Of course, Miss Snow.
Of course, Miss Snow. Alright. Well, that's gonna end it for this episode. We're gonna figure out everything that happened on the next episode that's going on with Faith and how Snow White's even still here. Yeah.